Yeah. Come on. What the fuck? Ghostbusters Jabba. Yeah. Check it. WTF, what the fuck? Yeah. Scratching my head. What I fucking said. Third eye. Bloodshot red. Damn. Valley of the fucking dead. Rest of your head. Make a darrow. The fucking eye. Keep your eyes on the sparrow. Sharp like an arrow. Down the path, neat and narrow. Yeah, I'll pick it down to your bone missile. Jabba D, coming like a Scud missile. Straight to your dome piece. I got 5, add 4, that's a 9-piece. Extra biscuit, exercise. You know we going like we going KFC. Baby, come and take a ride. Philadelphia Jones, Orson Black, that's my Philly pride. Yeah, fill it up. Jabba D, Doobie Boys, man, fill it up. West Oak Lane fam, let's fill it up. SK, TDE, fill it up. We fill it up. We fill it up. Philly pride, we just fill it up. Bottle spade, throw it up. After night, throwing up. Yeah, I promise I won't drink no more. Yeah, I promise I won't smoke no more. As I roll another L. Couple shots, oh well. Back on my bullshit. Wanna get this microphone, then black bullshit. Then you wanna get on my microphone, starting bullshit. Who the fuck is you? I'm Philadelphia Jones, cool kid. Going fishing. Yeah, Mission Impossible. Yeah, nigga, going missing. Find your ass back in the lake. Jabba D, no time for Jake. Yeah. Back on my bullshit. Jabba D, bullshit. Yeah, that's my motherfucking name. J-A-B-B-A-D-E-L-A into the Izzo. You wanna see me Izzo? If Jabba D, you can call me government till I know. But only if you my mistress and you get down, you gonna know I'm gonna swift hit you with the hitness, hit you with the swiftness. Jabba D, bust the nuts off with the quickness. Ah. I ain't got no more, man. Yeah, it's been a while. Philly Pride staying the fuck up. You know what I mean? Doobie Boys, smoking section. It's like 9 in the morning right now. Alright? Hey. Yeah.